This tutorial is sponsored by Patreon. Thank you all for your support. Just quick heads up, in this tutorial all we did was we cleaned the code, we optimized it, and we prepared it for the future so we can upgrade it even more to be more modular, because I was doing everything in player character, but I realized it would be way better to do a lot of the things in the game mode. So today we optimized the whole code, and you're gonna have such a more easier time with upgrading it than you would before. So I hope you can learn from my mistakes in this video as well, and I show you a couple good tricks how to fix some mistakes. So enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth part of this tutorial series. In today's tutorial we're gonna be cleaning up our code, commenting it, and also giving our dealer chance to shoot us. So let's go ahead and create it. So first thing, I want to make this clean. This is for the tests, right? Yeah, this is testing UI. So just to make it clean, here let's go to the player character. Let's comment everything. This is very important. If you already commented your code, you can skip this part, but this is very important to keep your code clean so you don't get lost, because the code is gonna get bigger the more time it goes. So this is dealer got shot run. Can put it to red. This is player got shot event. We can also put it here. Okay, so now we need to program our game mode to call the next round. How I'm gonna do it is simply by creating custom events. This one is gonna be player's turn, and I will duplicate it, and the second one is gonna be dealer's turn. For it to work, I'm simply gonna create UI here with some vertical box just for the testing purposes. Not even testing, we can even keep this in the game, but we're gonna see how the game goes and we're gonna decide, and I can even let you guys decide in the comments what you wanna do with the game, so we can do it on the tutorial. Also, if you have any mechanics that you would like to add, just feel free to type in the comments and I'm gonna see what I can do about it. Now here I'm just creating some UI. You can do whatever you want with UI, but so I just align this one fill, align to top, other one fill, align to bot, and I'm gonna add some text here. I will copy the text and I'm gonna add it there as well. This one is gonna be U, and the above one is gonna be dealer. I'm gonna set some default background to be something grayish, like that. Just like that. And by default, it's gonna be player shoot options. It's gonna be variable and it's gonna be collapsed, so we don't see it. We are only gonna see it when it's time for us to shoot. So here in the UI, we can get show a custom event, show player options box, and that's simply gonna be where is the box? Player shot options, that's this one. And we can even create show hide player options box, so we can use it for when it's not our turn anymore. So let's just create simple boolean and call it player options box on screen. So we're gonna check if the player option box is on screen. If it falls, we're gonna set visibility of this player shot option box to the false. So if the player option box is not on screen, we want to show it on screen. But if it's on screen, we want to hide it. So we want to collapse it. Also, to boolean to work, we need to set now booleans. So when we show it, we can say it's on screen, and when we hide it, we can say it's not on screen. Simple as that. So right now we can test this. In our game mode, I'm just gonna create a widget, which is gonna be master UI, and then I'm gonna promote it to variable and call it master UI reference. And for example, I can create sequence here, just to make everything clean. And here we can delay for like 1 second, and then we can say show player, from the master UI reference, show player, hide player option box, and by default the boolean is false, so we're gonna see it. Let's see how that works. That doesn't work. Okay. Let's see what I did wrong here. Oh, basically what's happening, we are creating it twice. Okay, I see what's happening. So from the character reference, we can pull widget, we can pull the master UI reference, because we already created widget in the character reference. And from there, I can show hide player option box. And now if I plug that in here and put some delay, like 1 second, I think I'm gonna be able to see it. As you can see, we can see the options, but I have some problems here because my UI is not like I wanted. So I'm gonna simply pull it like this, and you can customize it like that. Just make it so it fits your needs, right? So our maps are gonna be different. I'm just creating example. Okay, this is too low. Okay, and as you can see, it's not really in the middle, and that's bothering me a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it like that. This is just tweaking around to see how it fits. Let's see, like this. Yeah, this will work for me. And I'm gonna select both buttons, and I'm gonna add some padding because they're too big. You can add 100 from each side. Yeah, this is gonna be fine, I think. Yeah, this is gonna be really fine. Yeah, okay, so we have two buttons now which show when we call this. But I want to delete this, and I will collapse this to function and call it showing player options. Let me just see if it works. Okay, it doesn't. So showing player options requires the reference. Okay, so it literally just needs to be get master UI reference. Okay, actually, that's not gonna work. Let's just keep it like this. So I went ahead and I checked, and on purpose I didn't want to delete, I didn't want to cut this video, so you can see that mistakes happen. So I deleted the code, and what I find out is that basically what happened was we were creating a widget, right? So it was inside of our player character, and we would call the function in the gameplay game mode before the widget was created. So before this happened, we already called it here. So yeah, and also added this, but so this is very good thing to do with every cast, with every creation. It's very good thing to do, and also here I'm gonna delete this. So just your code should look like this. If there is any weird cuts and you don't understand what's happening, please feel free to write me in the comment. Okay, so let's continue. This is how your gameplay game mode should look like. So we already create the widget here, right here. And here when we cast, on every cast basically, this is a very good thing to do, is if cast fails, just delay it until the next tick, because sometimes it's a matter of milliseconds for your code to show you error. So this is very good thing to do, very good practice. So I recommend you doing this for your every cast. We are also gonna do it here. We don't need it here, but it's good to have this. It's very good. Okay, so right now I'm gonna create an event inside of the player character, and it's gonna be simply custom event player's turn UI. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna get master UI reference, check if it's valid, make sure you select the question mark, and if it's valid, we want to get the player option box and show hide player option box. That's the thing that you already have here created. So you have this here, which is gonna be called here. But if it's not valid, we're just gonna delay it until the next tick, which tick is like millisecond, and it's gonna work. So until this is valid, it's not gonna stop ticking, and it's gonna be valid in like 1 or 2 milliseconds. It's just a matter of a small amount of time. Okay, so right now, if we go to gameplay game mode, we have I deleted my custom event player's turn. We can simply call this player turn UI from the character reference. So with your reference, you can call this player turn UI, player's turn UI. And now, if I plug it in, player turn, like that, and yeah, like that, I will be able to see it. So I see the UI and I get no errors, since we did the thing with the delay until next tick, which is a really good thing. Okay, so when the player turn is, we're gonna enable UI, but also we can call this actually whose turn UI, and here we can also call whose turn UI, and as you can see now, let's say delay 3 seconds. Let's say it's dealer's turn now. You're gonna see in 3 seconds. We can actually print string and say dealer's turn, and here we can print string and say player's turn, like that. Oh, so first it's player's turn, then after 3 seconds it's gonna be dealer's turn. So we don't have UI anymore and we cannot shoot the dealer, right? I also want to make reload mechanic automatic. So when it's the player's turn, I want to call the reload. Was the reload in the player? Yeah, it was. So okay. So what we're gonna do here, when it's the player's turn, we're gonna reload, and when it's the dealer's turn, we're gonna also reload. Now make sure you connect the references here, correct. As you can see, it's already loaded, and it's again loaded. Okay, we got some errors. What is the problem? Let's see. By bullet, blank bullet. Let's just do the same thing. It's master UI. Okay, we can just do the thing that we did there. This is just the UI. Oh, we cannot delay because we are in the function. So I want to clean this mess up a little bit, and I think the best way possible would it be if I transfer all of that stuff to a game mode. Yeah, I think I should put reload mechanic inside of the game mode. Yeah, okay. In this episode, we're gonna be cleaning our code, so we have a good foundation. And I'm gonna create custom event here, reload shotgun, and I'm gonna copy all of this that you see here, and I'm gonna copy it to the game mode. Okay, sorry guys, but this is the better way we can do stuff. And yeah, these were functions, so that's why we are getting so many errors. So to start, let's just create custom event load live bullet, custom event load blank bullet. A lot of times in programming you're gonna meet yourself with the problems like this, and you're gonna be like, oh, why did I put it there when you shouldn't have. That's what happened to me right now. So in the load live bullet, we have the code, and basically what I'm gonna do is every variable that you see here, it's gonna be in the gameplay game mode right now. So variable live bullets of type integer, so this one, and also the boolean b has live bullet, which is gonna be boolean, right? So just follow me and everything is gonna be fine. Everything is gonna work. Here we have a load blank bullet. Let's call it blank bullets of type integer. And here has live bullet is gonna be false. And let's just quickly name them. Blank bullet. And this one is going to be loading live bullet. And all of that is going to be loading bullets. Okay, that part is done. Now we have add live bullet. Oh yeah, we need to update live bullets as well. So here don't have the master UI anymore. Here in the game mode, we have it in the character. And to be honest, I think it would be the best if it's made, but yeah, just let's keep it in the character right now when we already have it. Get master UI reference, update live bullets. But later on, we won't need this UI, it's just for the testing. So just keep it there as a test. And I'm gonna also comment it, so you know guys, it's test. So this is just so we can keep track of it. Great. Let's create add live bullet now. Custom event, another one, add live bullet, custom event, one more, add blank bullet. So this one is for live. So this is how much live bullets we are adding every round. This is gonna be used when we start new rounds. Very good thing. And we can just test this test UI. We can transfer it here as well. This is for UI purposes. And we can comment this again. Just keep everything commented, and then when mistakes like this happen, you will not have any problems. So this is adding a live bullet. And this is gonna be adding blank bullets. Like that. You can change input amount. I understand this tutorial is not very beginner friendly. I totally got this. But yeah, you shouldn't be attempting to create these games as a beginner as well, because these games are not the one that are the easiest. You should definitely try making easier games if this is your first game or something. Adding bullets. So just comment it like that. And now we have the, let's just save this color. I really like this color. You can save it like that. Now I can just pick it. Okay, so we transferred that. What else do we need? This is gonna be our reload shotgun. So every variable transferred, as you can see. That's pretty good. And now just connect load live bullet. That's the here. Load live bullet again there. Just copy paste, like just follow where it is. You don't have to think again about it. Just copy pasting. And there we go. And let's just set has live bullet. Just like that. Perfect. Reload shotgun. Let's name it like that. And here randomize real fake. This is when we have both bullets, so we just randomize it here. What is happening? Okay. Okay, so that is done. Let's see if we need to, we can just delete this like that. This also can get deleted. We don't need it anymore. This is also gonna go there. This we're gonna keep here. We can just keep it like this. I really like the colors, so this we're gonna create in the gameplay game mode, so you can delete for sure. We can also delete this. We can delete bullets. We can delete has live bullet, and we can delete. We don't have to delete is dead. That can stay. The lives as well can stay. Okay. What here we can reload shotgun. We can just call it from our gameplay now, because we created here. We transfer everything to game mode. Okay, so let's property associate what? Oh, player got shot. Oh, okay. So we had some stuff up there as well that we need to change. Player lives can stay. Player lives is okay. Player lives reference is dead. That's okay. That's okay. This needed to be changed to ours variable now. We don't need any more reference. As well as here, we now have this variable in the game mode. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's perfect. As you can see, we just transferred everything in a couple minutes, and it's working good. Okay, now our master UI, the testing is not gonna work. So if we press reload, let's see. If we press reload, we are gonna need our game mode reference. So not the character, reload shotgun. Let's see where are we getting more trouble. So update live bullets. Live bullets are coming from the game mode now. This is only for the UI, the problem. Update all bullets. That's good. And here again, we can just hover it like this. Get blank bullets. Like that. And get a blank bullet has live bullet. This is also gonna be from the game mode. B has live bullet. Perfect. Let's see if that works. If we reload, we can shoot the player. Oh, we don't have what is this? We basically need bullets. Let's see. Live bullets 5, blank bullets 5. And it's not updating. Let's see what is problem. So we can get is valid here. So when you get errors like this, access none, the best thing you can do is delay until next tick. That's your best friend. If it's not valid, delay until next tick. It's very messy right now. Also, here when we are updating, I guess we're gonna need it here as well. If it's valid, you can connect like that. Should be master UI as well. So basically everywhere where you see this thing, you should, yeah, like this here as well. I don't want to create some tutorials that are like, oh, this is bad, and then I don't tell you guys. I just want to be full transparent with you. When we make mistakes, we make mistakes. Just follow this. So what we are doing right now, we are checking if it's valid, the master UI reference, so we don't get any errors anymore. That's basically all we are doing right now. And you're gonna find yourself doing this a lot of times in your game development career. And this is a good thing to learn, because most of the tutorials don't show when they fail something, you know, and then the guy that watches that tutorial, for example you, if you are a beginner, you watch the tutorial and you're like, he got it right, but I got it wrong. What's the problem? How do I fix this? Let's see. We have some errors. Okay. So it's mostly with our UI here. Cannot in the function, I cannot do it here. So I'm curious, why doesn't it upload the blank bullets? We could copy this actually and make it an event. We probably should do that. So this is in our UI. And let's create custom event, update blank bullets. Let's see if that does the thing. I just want to see if that does the trick. Let me test. So oh, okay. So here, even when we are okay. So here we should update blank bullets. Okay, I see what's happening here. So we basically forgot to change the code here. And this is also gonna load adding blank bullets, so we need to update blank bullets. Let's see if it works with the old way, with the function. Nope, still getting that problem. So I'm gonna try now with the new stuff that I made. So let's try like this. Yeah, now that looks good actually. So I'm just gonna delete this update blank bullets because we have it here. Like that. And I'm gonna also get this update live bullets. I'm gonna copy it. And I'm gonna get custom event update live bullets UI. This is our testing UI as well, so it doesn't really matter, but I really want to fix it so we can test. If it's valid, can just do it like that. And here we can change the update all bullets like that. So now we are using this events. And here I'm also gonna update live bullets. And the up there as well, update live bullets, just like this. Let's see if it works now. Let's see what problem now we have. So we are getting some issues. At the set text. Let's go one step further. And let's check if the gameplay is valid as well. Okay, that seems to be fixed for our problem. So as you can see, it's very powerful thing, this delay until next tick. It's very powerful thing and I use it a lot of times. Didn't use it in tutorials that much, but as you can see, it can be a lifesaver. This is gonna be our gameplay game reference. Okay, as you can see now it works. No errors anymore, thanks God. Okay, so let's see what we are doing here. We have live bullets 5, blank bullets 5. When the player plays, it loads a random bullet. This time it's a live bullet. And let's test it. Yeah, let's test it like this. Let's change the turns a couple times. Let's see if they this is just test. We are not gonna do it like this, obviously. I'm just testing. So they should be loading bullets right now. 1. So they loaded 4 times, and yeah, that's correct. Okay, that works. As you can see, that works. So I will call this episode bug fixing, because we are actually like optimizing the code, because now we have everything on the same place and it's very clean to work with it. And right after this episode, I'll just record another one, because this episode was more of fixing my mistakes than giving you guys something. So yeah, do code like this and it's gonna be fine. Also, you can find the screenshots of, I'll post the screenshots of the gameplay game mode right now on the Patreon, because I made a lot of changes, and for the people who are following this video to have an easier time, and if you want to support me, of course. So yeah, this was optimizing a little bit, and in the next video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set so our dealer can shoot. Right now we can set the turn to dealer, but he still cannot decide who is he gonna shoot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next episode.